Road Warrior's first debut run.
Slippers on.
She got slippers on to go bike riding. Road Warrior needs boots. We got Farley ready to go. Go riders, go riders. Go riders, go riders. Ooh, yeah. Farley got her all polished up. Got Rita's bike ready to go. Checked the tire pressures. Did all the safety checks. We're off to go have something to eat. Here comes Road Warrior.
Where's my helmet?
Your helmet's in your basket. Road Warrior helmet. Brand new helmet, got a light on the back. Yeah, safety first. Gonna put your light on?
No, it's daylight.
Yeah, I mean, still, I put these back ones on all the time when we're riding. People can see them. That way, Road Warriors, they can see her coming. Yeah. There we go. Okay, we're gonna be off. If we remember how to do it. Okay, Road Warriors got her helmet on. Okay, you got her in gear? Huh?
You do not have to film this for posterity.
Yes. She's got to film it. Here we go. Road Warriors, first maiden voyage of the year, 2022. Finally ready to roll. Okay, give her a try. See how she works.
Show you fingers?
Yeah, give me some finger. Hell's Angel. What's the name of your bike anyway? Pretty good, Rita. Yeah. She's off. Okay. She got hers going okay. See if I can get mine going. Okay, well, let's see. Put her in fifth. A little shaky here today. There we go. I don't know where she is already. She's going. I don't know where she is. Rita's already gone. Oh, look at her way up there already. It'll take her long to get going. Oh, I can't even catch her. She's really going. Okay, got her in cruise control now, a lot easier. What happened?
My seat is turning.
Huh? Oh, your seat's turning. It's not tight enough.
Oh, it's okay now.
Did you tighten it?
I didn't tighten it, I straightened it.
Oh, okay. Wasn't straight.
Dale,
Okay.
go away with your silliness.
Well, we got to record it. We got
Why?
that should have been checked. Seat. You were really going pretty fast. I couldn't even catch up to you.
I'm on low.
Are you? Okay. There goes the Warrior. Meep meep. Ooh, I hit that rock. Boy, I almost went down with that stupid rock. Watch out for that gravel. Keep going, we'll go the long way. You stop for you, Rita. Hi. Okay, we're going into Pink Cadillac to have white teeth. There's Rita. Pink Cadillac. Oh, beer. Right off there. This is the Pink Cadillac restaurant. Nice little place, actually. I like it. All the old signs. Pretty cool. Look at this. Really good food. Nice food, Davina. Look at that meal.
Yes, it's lovely,
Oh, there. Eggs. And this is a really crisp chicken. So far, it's a hit. Okay, we're on our way back. A few people here with bikes. Try to catch up to Rita again. She just goes like crazy. She's gone already. Busy streets, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I wouldn't want to live it. Oh, it's letting us go, Rita. Road warriors are riding on, big smile on her face. Yeah, do some tricks. Rita's doing tricks now. She's a trick rider. That would be something, doing trick riding. Boy, she's swerving. Well. Thank you. Thanks. See, she liked you ringing the bell, Rita. He's stopping, Rita. This guy's not though. Okay. Keep going straight, Rita. Go around, yeah, that goes back to the street right away. Dogs. Thanks. You're welcome.
Why are you doing so close?
Video. Get the angle, Rita.
Hip check.
Action. Hip check. Don't run into me, Rita. They left me all by myself. Made her home safe and sound, no dents. Right on. Still got her no scrapes and bruises. That's right, he's happy we're home.
Are you
Yeah,
good?
yeah. He said, oh, I'm happy we're home. Oh, yeah, he's happy you're home.
Sit nice.
Yeah, come on. Oh, yeah, sit, he said. Come on, Dave, let's go.